So your ability to attract new customers into your business and also your ability to retain the old customers in your business plays a lot of role, plays a very big role in the growth of your business. First of all, there are some few things that you're supposed to do when you want to maintain your old customers. That is to offer discounts and many more other things, but in most cases the old customers are satisfied with the service that you offer to them. So the most important focus should be shifted on attracting more new customers. We all need to serve many people in order to achieve our goals that we want to achieve in our businesses. So in this video, I am going to share with you some few tips on how to attract new customers on your business, and I think this cuts across whether for small businesses or big businesses. It is still the same. You just need to apply the tips effectively wherever you are. You just need to apply them with the right knowledge. The number one tip that you need to understand if you want to attract new customers into your business is to define your target customers. Find out the exact kinds of people that you want to serve with your business. Think of the groups of the people that you want to serve with your business, and also think of their earnings and think of how best you can serve them. Target them and do your business with your target customers in mind. Okay, one of the biggest problems is we think we can serve each and everybody. There are just some kinds of people who will really never appreciate your service. So for those kinds of people, it is better to shift your mind to the people whom you want to serve at that moment as you grow slowly, so that you really do your level best, because there are some people whose expectations and whose tests are going to force you to have to change your business to something that you cannot manage. That means you have to define your target customers for that particular time of your business and focus on those customers. The next thing you'll have to do is to develop a unique value as related to your brand or the service that you offer. There are many other people who are doing the same kind of business that you're doing. For example, let us say a local restaurant. There might be many of them. So how can you make your own unique with value to people, okay, who will just that will just attract your defined customers? How will you make yours a little bit more unique? How will you change the organization of your business in order to make your business a little more different from the customers that you're targeting? Okay, that is one of the focuses that you have to put emphasis, that you have to put in order to attract those new customers into your business. So the next kind of thing is to always deliver the best kind of service or product that you can manage to your customers. Okay, think of something that is going to add value to your customers. Okay, for example, if it's a hotel, make sure you cook delicious meal, food that when one eats, the person feels satisfied, the person feels he has really eaten something that's gonna help his body to be okay. So this is going to also change their minds towards your business positively, and they're also going to talk positively about your business to others. The next kind of thing that you're supposed to consider is to offer promotions and discounts to your existing customers, especially if you're selling just a personal brand or something that you're selling products or goods and services. It's very good to offer. It's very good to offer discounts and promotions to your existing customers. This is really going to make them feel happy. For example, if it is you and you visit a business and somebody offers to you a discount, gives you something at least a less price, I believe you're going to be happy. So you also do the same to others so that they will be happy Okay, whatever you do to others will be what you want to be done to you. You will be happy. Once you offer promotions and discounts to your customers, this is going to attract many more of your customers. Sometimes you can also let them do free trials of your products, and this will also seem to be like a discount to them, to make them happy, make them feel you surely trust them. And the next thing is invest in advertising your business. Okay, there are a lot of ways through which you can advertise your business, one of which will include delivering quality service to your customers and committing to them, maybe fixing up a signpost that people can see that such a business exists somewhere, and also maybe giving posters out to people containing your business details, or having business cards shared to people, or using radio advertisement, media advertisements. I say media advertisements in general. It will depend on which kind of business you are doing, but every kind of business needs a sort of advertisement, whether small or big. There needs to be a sort of advertisement, a way of making people aware of the existence of that business, so you will choose the one that you can best afford for your business. The next kind of thing that you're supposed to consider in attracting new customers is that you need to monitor and measure your progress. Okay, this will help you to focus and improve your services and many more others. And the next thing you'll have to do is to provide exceptional customer service. Make sure the customers receive enough of the service that they intend to get from your business, because that is the core reason why you have started your business, and make sure they get the best out of your business. The next and the last kind of factor that you're supposed to consider is to be consistent in your business and make sure you are always available for your customers. With those few tips that I have shared with you, if you have some more tips that you want to add that might help one to develop his or her business, please go to the comment section and leave that tip right there and give your views about this video. I will really like it, and I will really enjoy reading whatever you write about this video in the comment section. And please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, that's when I will see you again. Take care.